Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Crew AI versus N8N. Which workflow automation tool is best? Today, we're comparing two powerful workflow automation tools, Crew AI and N8N, to help you decide which one fits your needs best. Crew AI is an advanced AI orchestration framework that lets you build teams of intelligent agents, each with roles, memories, and tools that collaborate to complete complex tasks. Think of it as assigning a virtual team to research, code, or manage projects automatically. It's ideal for developers who want to full control over AI powered workflows. However, it requires coding knowledge, has fewer integrations, and a smaller community since it's still maturing. On the other hand, N8N, short for Node to Node, is a visual workflow automation platform designed for simplicity. It connects apps like Slack, Google Sheets, and Notion through a drag and drop interface with no coding required. It's easy to use, supports over 400 integrations, and has a strong plugin ecosystem, but it's not built for multi agent AI coordination. Its usual ritual workflows can get cluttered as they grow. So here's the verdict: choose Crew AI if you're building AI powered systems that need deep customization and agent collaboration. Go for N8N if you want a fast, no code solution for automating apps and services. Or better yet, use both together for the ultimate combo of app automation and AI orchestration. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.